am actually heading to the gym.
I don't need no other, I'm satisfied doing it on my own. Only takes one other to change your vibe. Ain't that the way it goes? I don't need nobody, but you won't replay. Caught in the memory when you
Turn me your canvas road. Shoe will come there on my mat. Land on me, say I need to come back. Cross the green up on the other side. Can take a next girl for another raid. 1, 2, 3, 4. You man to secure.
Decisions. Okay. I just need to just brave up. And just like, you know what? Screw y'all.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
I got to move on. Fooling me for
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Guys, guess what? I am actually heading to the gym. I am going to the gym. Oh my god, my first time in like, what? I want to say 2 years? A year? Not sure. Just waiting on my youth. I need to tighten you guys because you guys keep falling. I'm gonna need one stop let me know and get it. Like, the camera keep falling backwards and I need to tighten it. But me not getting no red lights. So yeah, I'm going to the gym for the first time in a long time, right? And I bought a bunch of gym stuff the other day, including the it keeps falling. I bought a bunch of gym clothes the other day, including the belly band or the waist trainer. Can't find it. Can't find none of them. Well, the tights, I know I've been wearing the leggings them as regular, so that's understandable. So we need to drive slow and find one red light because this is not working out at all. I need to tighten you guys. Go over the slow lane and see if I can find one red light. That's crazy. I'm on time. I guess that's why we don't have no red light. Because if we're late, you don't have red light every second. But I need to tighten you guys. You guys keep falling. When the claims American have no patrol, they have only patrol. Every time I drop in, I want patrol. Because their sewage thingy that they do, them do it below road level. And alright, some red lights here. Some red lights here. Hold on. Let's see if we can fix it before it turns green. Okay, there we go. Tighten now. Alright. Okay. Perfect. So you guys are not falling. The only thing I realized, I'm gonna look too white on this. I need to fix that because we're not white. So the next red light we reach, I'll fix that. But yeah, guys, the bottom line is I am going to the gym. Why are you going to the gym, Keneisha? Who motivates you to go to the gym, Keneisha? Because knowing you're not going to gym by yourself and be consistent. Well, I haven't been consistent yet because it's my first day back. But guys, at work, you know, it was just like a whole gym talk. Like everybody talking about they're going back to the gym, who start the gym already, who did they start Monday, So one of my one of the male coworker gonna start with another man. And I'm like, I'm not gonna go with them because I don't want my gym business to be in the streets. You understand? Girl needs to get her body right before, you know what I mean? So, some girl co-workers now we're talking, and let me see if I can fix this. Hold on. Okay, my thing might get worse. I need to fix that differently. So we're gonna stay like this for right now. What is the pun? 1.0. Alright, so guys. So, you know, I'm saying, like, I asked her, I said, yeah, are you going to the gym? And she's like, yeah, I've been doing it for the last 2 weeks. And I'm like, alright, you want company? Like, where do you go and stuff like that? And she's like, yeah, she started telling me all the things that she's doing and who else did come with her. So I'm like, I started asking them, I said, can you motivate me? Can you be my motivator? Like, can you call me? Them not call me yet, which will not cut them off, but I'm like, can you call me? Like, just make sure somebody up on my grind, because if you call or text me, I'm missing no, and come. More some of the things I'm like, Keneisha, get your ass up and come on, right? I've been telling you guys that. I do everything else by myself, you know this, but when you come on to the gym, I need somebody to dip on my ass for like, make sure somebody do what I need to do. I'm claiming to them to do it. I get this other girl to come along and stuff like that. She's like, the gym is right in front of me that you guys are gonna come. We're going to Planet Fitness, by the way. I'm like, yeah, me come. I will come. So, them not coming this morning. I was supposed to drop the kids, but I forgot that Troy has Monday off, remember? And you realize somebody all over the place this morning. I try to find clothes because I can't find the stuff them want me to wear. What me buy before. I try to find the belly band, all of the belly band I want to put on, or the waist trainers I want to put on. Just make me look weird in terms of like it's raising on my armpits, or the extra fat run on the back. And I'm like, don't like this at all. So I don't have on any waist trainer today. And I needed something like with sleeves just to hang over, but all the like a jacket type thing. But all the long sleeves that I have, them look too tight on me. I don't like that. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna work out anyways. And then what I'm gonna do is that after the gym, I'm gonna go straight to Walmart and I'm going to get some gym stuff. So we're gonna be shopping for some gym stuff. Pre-workouts, extra protein, all those good stuff. I'm gonna be shopping for some veggies, some fruits as well, and some gym wear. Yeah, I already have my gym bag and stuff, so I don't need that, but I need some gym wear because I can't find the others that I bought. Yeah, story of my life. Buy everything, put them up to full, and then can't find them afterwards. But it is what it is. So we're gonna go shopping after this, and after that, it's actually 9:16 by the way. I'm supposed to meet them up at 9:30. I'm not sure if I'm not even not sure. I won't be recording my gym session because obviously girl don't know what she's doing yet. I need to get into like a routine and be consistent first, and then I'll start showing you guys what I'm doing. So in the meantime, just most of me I got a gym, and girl need to look good for summer coming up, you know. And my aim is actually to lose at least 25 pounds. I say that to everybody and they're like, Keneisha, don't look a stick. Like, why? This is not the first time I'm hearing that. This is not the first time I'm actually doing this. So in terms of wanting to lose that much weight, because I know what I want to look like. 25 pounds is the most that I want to lose. Actually, that is my goal. 25 pounds to lose. So let's see how that works out. So I'm not almost there. I think I know where I'm going because that's what I use no GPS. So I'm going to find it, and I'll let you guys know what's going on. Okay? Yeah, so in the meantime, with all this is some leg setups, and yeah.
Forgive, but don't forget.
There, I'm gonna turn.
With them condemn with. Living my life like I'm a last year today. Don't give up, nobody don't chat to me.
Guys, to reach. So why this so white? Okay, there we go. Alright, it's a sun. So let me call them up and see if anybody's here yet. Got him always early and me always late. So let me see if I can find.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
Hello, good sign. How do you wake up? Let me call Ivan. Hola.
Hola, you ready?
I'm here actually.
Are you there? We are not there yet.
Huh?
Madeline said 9:30.
9:30, yeah, it's 9:23. Listen, for the one time I'm on time, you guys are not here. That's crazy.
Oh, that is so good because you never late. You never late.
I'm never early.
I'm going to be there soon. I'm close. I'm coming.
Okay, I'm in the parking lot. I will just wait for you guys.
Okay.
I'm calling Addie and she's not answering. I'm thinking that she's tricking out.
Oh, let's see. Okay.
Alright,
See
cool.
you soon.
Alright, cool.
Bye.
Let me try Addie again. Guys, you see? I'm early. That's something because I'm never early. Ah, Lord. That's crazy.
Your call has been forwarded
Should not answer.
to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Addie, it's Keneisha. Where are you? We make a deal. You need to be here. Call me back. Alright, guys. So we just chill until them come. This about now look like say the leak. Like, why is it leaking? And it wasn't leaking at home, you know. It started leaking when I came into the car. Where is it leaking? I just throw this away because it's just leaking now. It's all over the place. Why am I drinking the water and I'm not time yet to even go? But yeah, guys, I am gonna be here waiting for them. So we just let me just turn on this AC and play some Dexter Daps. I am here.
Hello.
I'm here calling your ass and you're not answering me. Where
What is it?
where are you?
At home?
You're not coming.
I don't know.
Addie, get your ass up and come on. Come on.
Over there?
I'm in the parking lot. I guess I'm early for the first time in my life and they're not here yet. So they just told me that they're like 2 minutes away.
Okay, I have to get my clothes.
Alright, hurry up and come.
Okay.
Alright, cool. So Addie she lives right behind the plaza, right? And according to her, she has the membership for almost 2 years and she never come over here. And I'm like, that's crazy. She worse than me. So she has something she's not sure, but yeah, she's gonna come. I'm not gonna stop calling her until she come because the same motivation that I want from them is the same thing I'll be giving them. You know what I mean? Guys, I want to people come to gym door and me feel a little bit insecure. Like, what? Why?
Tonight, we know what we gonna be. Me say make we keep it wanna dance. Call it sit down pop Sunday. No, bring it to the owner. No, stop everything you do, but take a shower. Bring it to the owner. No, bring it to the owner now. You until it explode. C4, change 1, 2, 3, 4. Human twin secure.
First of all, guys, I want to say, thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Yeah, it's kind of wise. There we go. So welcome to the family, okay, guys? Let me take you off, a matter of fact, because let me take you off. Hold on. Yes, as I was saying, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy over here. Share, like, and comment under the comment section what you think, okay? Now, for all my OGs, thank you so much for sticking through and keeping up with me. Don't forget again to like, share, and comment under the comment section. If you guys have like the best pre-workout, because I know there's a lot of gym baddies, it's a new thing out there, and if you guys actually know like good pre-workout, like the stuff that I need to jump on to be healthy and, you know, just to do this whole gym journey that I'm on, please help me out. You know, just drop it under the comment section and let me know. So I mean, I won't get your information today because I'm going to Walmart today, but I will definitely get it because the aim is to be consistent, even though I want to lose this for the summer, but I gotta maintain it as well. We're in May right now, so some of the right running kinda, but like, you know what I mean. Well guys, yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Again, like, share, comment under the comment section. Okay, so I am here still waiting, but I was telling you guys I do feel a little bit insecure. I tell me why I drink all kind of water. Let's remember what Addy drive. 9:32. They're late. I'm early. They're late. So that's crazy. So I think I'm only gonna do like 1 hour here, then go up to Walmart and then go home. I need to do some laundry today. I need to wash the bathrooms. So let's see how that works. My problem is every time I work out, I'm always tired. Everybody see them get on boost of energy. I don't. We get extremely tired. I'm just want to go sleep. So that's another thing. If you guys have any knowledge of why I'm feeling that way, please drop it down in the comment section. Okay, I really appreciate that as well. And what I can do to not feel that way. And right now with all of the water I'm drink, I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. Go on most my next setups. Guys, nobody no call me yet or anything. We just text them, nobody responds. So you know what? It's the reason why I'm late most of the times, because I don't like to wait for people. It's annoying, it's frustrating. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go in by myself and just start the shit. Like, I don't know. I'm going to go right now. So I'll see you guys when I'm out. I'm here about to start editing this video and realize that I didn't tell you guys Happy Mother's Day. Happy belated Mother's Day. Today is Monday, so Mother's Day was yesterday. Yesterday I took off and my husband woke me up and he made a nice breakfast. He made ackee and saltfish, which is Jamaican's national dish. Ackee and saltfish, some yellow yam and some banana with some hot chocolate. So we had that. That was delicious. And then I just basically just stayed in the bed all day, and my son, he made me I think it named rosemary garlic steak, but some nice ribeye steak and some garlic mashed potatoes. So that was beautiful. It was the first time my son is actually creating something so big. Like, he normally make pasta and something there, but that was spectacular. So he created that. He made that for dinner. And that was it. Like, I just really wanted the rest and stuff, and I got that. So I am here, as I said before, I'm about to edit this video, and I just forgot that I did not tell you guys Happy Mother's Day. So again, happy belated Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it to the fullest. I hope you guys were pampered. I hope you guys were spoiled, and I hope you guys know how appreciated you are, you know, for all the hard work that you've been putting out. So on behalf of everybody out there and your kids, Happy Mother's Day and thank you. Guys, just finished. It's now 10:49. Guys, me drop off of the treadmill. Right now my fingernail on my lift up, because I just feel like I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I'm so clumsy in the gym. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, as I finished telling you guys that I was gonna go in, when I looked, one person popped up, and then I got a text immediately saying that the other person was here. So they all came in at the same time. So we basically started the gym maybe like around 9:50. Roughly 1 hour we spent. They went home, so we'll be back at it again tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna go by Walmart. Look presentable, enough people in place. I'm gonna go by Walmart and get those stuff that I told you guys about. Guys, I work. I'm shit, mom. This morning I'm swear something, mom. Don't do that. Whoa. Whew. So we're gonna go by Walmart right now. Want some Chanel mirror, and I'll let you guys know when I reach. Alright, so I'll see you in a bit. Oh wait, my glasses. I can't drive without my glasses. I need my glasses to see the road. Jesus, something on the other. I lift up completely. Like, I did horrible to myself in there. I have nail tech to go on Wednesday, so then they'll take off anyways. Then I want to have them cut it a little bit shorter. The gym wasn't extremely packed, so that was good. So there's nothing to feel intimidated about. We did like 20 minutes on the treadmill. Then I did some ab workout, butt workout. I think I overdid it today. So let's see how I feel tomorrow. I'm not supposed to go hard on the first day, but like I was like, I'm in it to win it. So why not? Feeling a lift up against it. But that's not sanitizer because if alarm man go off soon. So there are hats, army hats. That's what AC got me up bad.
Pretty naturally, my money stack properly. One top girl and the other top of my coming haters. Me know watch the crowd, me watch the papers. When they tell account the money, big machine which calculator, them a shaper.
Hey, girl, you are classes. What bring your thing now? Who are we at till the morning come? This how
It's the good morning. Thailand tourists. Say my move like Thailand tourists. Show me like pam bossy. Enough of them broke like that, and I move like Thailand tourists. Thailand tourists. Show me like pam bossy. Them a know some a cry. Me no take chat from no boy. I me no take chat from no girl neither. Me never get a box from no boy. Me bad for real, so no watch you need ya. Me no hype. Me you can boss road. Sure will come there on my mat. Land on me say you need to come back. Cross no green up on the other side. Can take a next girl for another raid. I'm not the person you used to know. You drop off from believe a couple years ago. Easily you have been replaced. No, 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 no. It's not worth it. No, 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 no. You're not worth the wait. No, no, no. You don't want my boss, trust me. Man, not the same girl. Man, not the girl who you used to the lame girl. But you top, you stepping on the fame world. You come and cry off for me, you will not die off for me. Get a girl, but my bougie with it. Tight, so my choosy with it. Big fat ride, I'm cruising it. Think like trees, dog, real cheddar. Cause you know, some book smart, street smart. From taxi fear to push.
Okay guys, we are here at Walmart. We're here at Walmart. So this is gonna be my first time. The last time I used my camera, or the first time I used my camera in public, I was with my son. So I'm gonna really kind of feel no way. You guys know I kind of feel some sort of way vlogging in public. I know I have this big ass camera that I'm gonna be using in Walmart. So me don't know how me I go do this. I am gonna put my AirPods in my ears, have my phone, but I'm gonna have the camera, but then I have the camera up on the tripod. Oh my god! Decisions. Okay. I just need to just brave up. And just like, you know what? Screw y'all. No, I'm not the first person vlogging, right? I'm not the first vlogger. I'm not the only vlogger, shit. So we all carry inside. I carry inside. I'm gonna go wallet. I need my keys. Should I bring one little bag, you know? I did not do that. Okay. I got my purse, keys, my AirPods right here. My phone. I need to take you guys down. Okay. It's nowhere never. Oh my god, I feel so nervous. Walmart's so full up. Oh my god, I just got him yard. You know what? It's second down. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have one little fiber one cheesecake bar here. Don't drop, don't drop. Just stay steady now. Stay right there, so now. I'm not gonna drop. So let me see if I can put it up here. So my fingernail might hurt me. My fingernail might hurt me. My fingernail might hurt me. I'm up on the tripod. I'm gonna eat this first and then build up some little courage to go out there. So because why am I so full? Should be if I can. If I had company, I think I would feel so timid, you know. But I ain't got nobody with me. I'm gonna park all the way down there, so. I don't know. We gotta do the flag. The flag is gonna be done. I'm rushing for brave up. I'm not gonna say. Is that not sure right? That's my reach home. I just now go back into the house. I'm gonna carry my water with me. Alright guys, let me put the earpod in my ears. I'll just put the earpod in my ears, right? That's what I'm gonna do, right? You don't have to care. It's now or never. It's now or never. So, let's do this thing.
I don't need no other, I'm satisfied doing it on my own. Only takes one other to change your vibe. Ain't that the way it goes? I don't need nobody, but you won't replay. Caught in the memory when you touch my body and you say my name, giving me what I need. Every minute, so.
Alright guys, so I'm in here. First knock here, bed and hold the floor. Trying to see where to go first. Cosmetics. So I'm posting some stuff here, so let's check this out. So I need some pre-workouts.
Like you're in my bed. Every hour, give you power. I'm losing my instead. 24/7, got you on my mind. Think about you all the time. My body wants you night and day. But my head is screaming, go away. 24/7, got you on my mind.
It's a meal replacement shake, protein shake. Okay. I see nothing called pre-workout or anything.
My body wants you night and day. I'm losing no control of me.
Just another stuff. Sorry. Okay, this is some right here. Stitch back a little pop. Work right here. Blueberry. So watermelon. I don't know which one to get. One of my version, you were called explosion extreme 2010. This next one, like, this is expensive. This is like $34. When I take off a COVID, it's $22. It's not pre-workout though. Alright. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one. You guys in the comment section and tell me which one is best. I'm gonna do this one.
My card.
Huh?
I lost my card.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sticking your out to the cat. Alright, I need some facial wipes. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so I'm looking for simple. Alright, so we're gonna go over to the women's section and let's see. It's a water bottle. You know, I have enough water bottle at home and I'm gonna go get that over, so. Yeah, I have enough water bottle. So let's stay focused. We'll go back to the food aisle for sure. So let's find the women's section. Last time I found the women's section. See if I can find it. Alright guys, I ran out of Walmart real quick because the battery died. The camera battery died. And I had the extra ones in my vehicle. So I'm like, instead of, the whole purpose of bringing you guys here is to do the Walmart shopping, right? So at first I was like, let me do it on my phone. And I'm like, you know what? I already have the camera in my hand. That make no sense. So I left the cart inside real quick and run out. So hopefully nobody no move the carts. The only thing I had in there was a pre-workout anyways. So let's see if I can get on the carts. You know what I mean? So we're going back inside of Walmart. I also took out an extra memory card because I did go ahead and purchase 2 memory cards after the last incident with the circus. So let me see if, just in case. Let's see if I can find my cards because I just found all the gym clothes. Yep, it's still here. I found it. So, these are the gym stuff. We have the bra, to move the cups. This is extra small. Look at that. So I think I'll look for a medium. There's no medium. Large, 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 large. Small look for me then. I don't know if I can see the small look back over, but this small looks too small. This over. This no medium. This medium looks big. This particular one, I need a medium in this, but I only have large and extra large, so I have to get some of those coming up. All right, let's. Oh, that has some over here. Extra small, extra large, large. Okay, we have some more. Oh, these are cute. I need a. So this is small. Let me see how the medium look. Do they have any medium? Small. Large. Small. Oh my god, is that a small or large? Like no medium. Extra large. This is an extra small. Oh, this is the medium. This one is a medium. I want to take this one. This is, how much for this? $18. Oh wow. They're expensive. Alright, just one of that. Let's see if you feel comfortable to wear tight suits like that. So, let's look for some tops. I'm doing them short too. I'm gonna like them here. If you're like little jackets, you can throw on. The medium one. 29. Oh, but them so expensive. Oh my god. $29. I'm not even so nice. Like what? Alright. You don't have no, I'm not like it. Two over two. Tops then. Anything like cute over here. These one of these tops is extra small. What you gonna get now? Okay, I'm gonna make my surgery now. So, medium in this one. That's a medium in this. Blue in there as well. So let's see if I can find a medium in the blue. Medium in the blue. That's an extra large. Is it a medium one? Yeah, I got it. That's not enough. Is this black around the back here? Alright, so we have black as well. Let's see if we can find a medium in this one. Large. Where is the black again? See leggings over here. Look at that tick pad. $15, Lord Jesus. Small. So it's supposed to be medium. It literally says medium on here, but accurate. It's no medium. This is the Capri. It's supposed to be this. So. Why are they so expensive though? Extra large, like nothing is where it needs to be. Alright, my kind of this. This is not nice. So, if I don't find anything else, I'm just gonna go on Amazon because they're not fair for 98. Okay, so medium. So this one is looking 100. Kind of a gray, extra small. Okay, medium. These are the okay, this blue. I think it fits. Okay, so fruits. I think the food section over is. It's been a while since I come to this Walmart, to be honest. We're gonna see if we can find some fruits and some veggies. Fruits and veggies. Alright, let's go. Guys, and I tell the people in here for kill. Like, they're just stirring. Sorry. Alright, let me show you the fruit now. See strawberries. I know we got some. I want to take this one. I got one for curry man. This is it's a pineapple. Carrot apple. guys. I don't see any of the spring mix and anything here. These are unhealthy stuff. So we only have this as look again. We don't have anything. We don't have anything. I can't find anything, so we're gonna check out these and maybe I have to get the rest at Whole Foods tomorrow or something. Alright, let's get some apples. Oh, over here. Alright. Yes. Romaine salad. Yes. 2 packages. Get some spinach. So these are premium romaine salad dressing. I have salad dressing salad. And you have the iceberg one over to the cheaper. This is $1. $1.98, and that was $2. This may look fresher still. Oh, you have the bigger one on there, so $4.98. It's actually 14. But let's put that in there.
Zaga down, Zaga down, 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 down.
Alright guys, we'll go check out.
Zaga down, Zaga down, 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 down. Zaga style. Zaga now, 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 now. Hold up, hold up.
Guys, I am back in. We did it. We vlogged in public with a camera. I'm not sure how well you guys were hearing me, and I'm not sure how much I actually picked up because I was just like, you know. But we did it. We're done. We're back in the car. We're heading home. When I go home, I will actually show you, you know, what I got. Man, I forgot my way from here to go home. I don't remember. I don't remember. It's been a while. It's been a while. I think I have an idea, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna just do this. We're going home, Google. Go home. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got. If it never made no sense with the footage that I showed, right? I don't even know if I'm still gonna do the laundry and stuff. Cause I just really like. When I left the gym today, I wasn't extremely tired. I wasn't tired like how I normally feel. Me not be honest, right? But we got the pre-workout and stuff, so let's see how that works. But I wasn't as tired as I thought I was gonna be. Or shut up.
600 feet, turn left onto you.
So we are going to go home. I might do the laundry. I think food did it from yesterday. I don't think I have to cook a whole bunch of food. Blue out the box then. Sure. Make a green light catch me. Alright, so yeah. So guys, when I reach home, I'm going to my circle thingy now, so I can't really touch the camera now. But when I head home, I'll show you everything that I have. As I said before, I think that's gonna conclude the vlog once I reach there. Once I reach home and show you those stuff. I do need to watch Stefania's hair this evening when she gets home from school. I'm not gonna show you that though. Traffic. Hey guys, I am so sorry. I came home, totally forgot about you guys, and I packed out everything. The only thing I have here is the clothes, the gym clothes, and I think you already saw that. So sorry, my bad. I got me some fruits and vegetables. You guys, hopefully the what you call it, the clips that I showed you guys was enough, right? So again, I do apologize for that. However, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Again, let me know the best thing to take, whether pre-workout or after. No, I'm gonna actually make a shake, a smoothie, so we can drink that and just do what I need to do. So until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.